Daddy will change that front tire here after we're done doing this one, okay? Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, my little beardies. How is everybody doing on this fine, beautiful Saturday? Anyways, my old lady got me a birthday gift. And, actually, I'll show you guys what she got me. Got another grip seat by PowerZone that we're going to put on this one. Yeah, buddy. So, I'm not really going to be talking too much in this video. I'm about to be playing some music and YouTube's going to get on to me on that. So you guys will just hear me talking about this right now. And then I'm going to play some music and then during the video, anyways, I'll check you guys out in the next 20 minutes.
Today we're recovering the seat on our 125cc dirt bike with a new Powersports grip cover. First, we pulled all the old staples and removed the original seat skin.
This boy just said that this looks like a banana. Kids and their imaginations. Alright. Well, seat cover is now off. Now it's time to put the new one on, start stapling it down, and then trim it down to fit it. Alright, staple gun.
Put this one on.
Put the new seat cover on there. Better throw some more in there. Yeah, give me that one. Thank you.
I see it.
Brief cuteness interruption.
Ta.
Outside.
Oh, nice. Alright guys, don't judge me. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue. Never done this before. Just kidding, I've done it before. We just did it on the other one. Well, I didn't, she did. So
Then we centered the new cover, stretched it tight around the foam, stapled the front and back, and worked our way down the sides for a perfect fit.
Look guys, check this out. This thing is gonna look sweet. I think it's gonna look pretty sick with that. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm back. There's your X-Acto knife. There's some extra blades. Get to it, baby! Hey! Don't you be laughing at me now. What? You guys are
Kind of like a wrapper.
It's kind of like a wrapper.
Yep. Like a
So is, buddy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Oh my gosh.
What the hell was that?
Hold on. Well, now all we're doing is trimming it up. And then we'll be ready to slap her back on there. Oh, she's gonna look pretty good. I think she's gonna look alright. Now the next thing I need to get is new rims and tires. That'll be next. Tomorrow I should have the chain tensioner come in tomorrow for this. So I had just a bolt long enough with the washer that I got sitting right there that made it work for now. So that's what we're gonna run with for today until the other one comes in tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. Which should be alright.
After trimming the excess material, done. Simple, clean, and it looks fantastic.
Me neither.
Peter.
You're supposed to know.
Guess what? I can run my bike at the trail.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Welcome back, YouTube.
So,
We are finished with the seat. Finally finished with it. Looks good. Now, install it. Alright. Now put the seat back on here. Get it back up. Alright, alright. Literally like right there. That was your dish. Will you come over here and push the seat down?
Down.
Yeah. There it went. Jeez. I guess I wasn't pushing it hard enough. Push it to the limit. Alright. I love it. I love it. Don't mind it. It got a little dirty, but hey, that'll clean up. I love it. I think that looks really good. That's sweet. Alright guys, that is it for this video. We're going inside. I'm going to wash up. Old lady's going to make some breakfast. We're going to eat some breakfast real quick, and then we're going to load up and head out. So catch you guys in a bit. Stay tuned.
And that's it. Fresh seat, clean look, and one more thing checked off the list. Smash that like button, subscribe if you want more, and I'll catch you in the next episode.